Hi, my name is Ryan DeAngelis over at the Guarantee RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. This is a very unique trailer as far as the weight and for this length to get a lot of beds, extra beds, and it's got bunks in it. So it's a 241 BH. It's a Heartland Sundance. So it's aluminum frame, tongue and groove plywood in the floor, not a bunch of OSB in this thing. Power tongue jack up front. So you have magnetic catches on all the doors, so you don't have to flip the plastic clip. There's an LED light strip in this pass through here. You got a good area there, and you can kind of see your tongue and groove plywood and your aluminum frame in there. So it's not pumped with a bunch of OSB like most of the stuff when you lift it up and you look in there. Now you got a power awning on the outside with an LED light strip on it. Then on this back side, this is also on the magnetic catches, you got your outdoor kitchen. So you got a mini fridge out here with a little freezer in there. You've got a sink with a drain in it, hot and cold water. You have a couple burners out here too, so you can kind of barbecue while you're out here. There's a quick connect line to your propane as well, so if you hook the barbecue up there to the back, you can kind of tie into your propane tanks up front. This has the extended RVing package on it, so heated and closed underbelly. All the tanks are in a big chamber underneath, and when the heat's on upstairs, it's pumped down below as well and keeps everything from freezing. So inside, you got a queen bed in your bedroom there. So this is your master bedroom. You can get out on both sides of the bed so nobody has to crawl over anybody. You got tall closets on each side, LED reading lamps. Then you have your 32-inch TV in the living area. This also can flip around into the bedroom area, so you kind of got a TV that works both ways. You've got the bigger dinette, big U-shaped dinette. It's got the nice Oregon duckos, I guess somebody says, but I don't know, unless you're not a duck fan. But a U-shaped dinette, so you can kind of fit a lot more people at it, which typically you need when you're going to use your bunks. So your kitchen's on this side. This is a Heartland product, so you have a nice big stainless steel sink instead of two small plastic sinks. You've got your nice full extension drawers, really nice wood, nice handles. It's nice and solid, not quite the same as a lot of stuff that's out there. Storage underneath your sink. You got a glass range top here, so you got a little bit more counter space if you need it with all the stainless steel appliances. You got a nice two-door fridge, so you got a separate freezer and a fridge. Then on the back side, you get a little bit extra storage that you can use for pantry or extra storage for the closets for the kids and things like that. On this side, you got two big bunks. They're very wide. You can fit two kids in there comfortably, or otherwise you got huge bunks to themselves. There's lights in there. The AC's ducted back here as well. There's plugs for both bunks. You also have a good amount of storage underneath here that goes behind your outdoor kitchen that goes pretty far back. All the heat is ducted through the walls and in the cabinets in here. There's no registers on the floor. Now you got your bathroom here. Nice big shower, full toilet, medicine cabinet, and a whole bunch more storage in there as well. You got a skylight above the shower, so there's plenty of room in there for even the taller people. If you look up top, these have a very pronounced arch ceiling. That's a lot stronger than something that's flat. It also drains a lot better, but it also makes it feel a lot bigger in here. It makes it feel like it's taller than it is and bigger overall. So this is a kind of a 24-foot bunkhouse that's about under 5,500 pounds. So you can pull that with a lot of stuff. It doesn't have to be a big truck. Over on this side, you got your stabilizer jacks, two in the front, two in the rear. You can crank them down with the tool if you want, otherwise you carry a cordless drill with them, you zip them up and down. That saves a lot of weight over a big mechanical system with electric stabilizer jacks. It also shaves off a lot of cost. Makes this a lot closer to $200 a month. On the back side, you've got a spray port in here. You can hook a hose up to this and kind of spray your coach off, spray your pets off, whatever. You've got your black tank flush as well, so after you drain out your waste tanks, you can hook a freshwater hose up and blast all fresh water through your tanks and all your lines. So you don't have to do it the old way and run a hose through the bathroom. Full-size spare on the back. You have a spot in the back bumper where you can store your sewer hose, and then we block it off there for you. It's included on every deal that we do. Batteries, propane, we set you up right. So this is If you don't want to get too heavy or too long, this is only 24 feet and only weighs about 5,500 pounds. You kind of got a lot of options as far as where you can keep it. Probably keep it at your house instead of having to rent some storage, and you kind of can pull it without having to trade in your, your SUV or your smaller pickup and have to get a big giant pickup to pull a trailer. So a lot of options there. So this is kind of one of them. I also got something a little bit smaller and a little bit bigger than this as well. Give me a call. My number is 541-525-4001. My name is Ryan DeAngelis from the Guarantee RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. Talk to you soon. Thanks.